Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello Apple fans, looking at the daily, weekly, and shorter term time frames. So yesterday the upper wick, unable to break the lower high pattern, was an indication that a pullback was likely. We saw the profit taking start yesterday, carried through to today, bearish MACD cross. So we're looking at that 111.55 double bottom here, very key support level. Then we're looking at the middle Bollinger Band, which is approaching 111. And if we break 110 or make that 111.55, I'm still looking for a test of that weekly 100-week moving average. Very clear lower high pattern that will be very clear when it's broken. If the bulls can get above some of these levels, I'm looking at 114.64, the high of yesterday, and then 114.94, the high of that last bounce attempt. So the bears are still here. The bulls are not showing up and breaking this pattern. The weekly time frame pulling back. It is still normal healthy consolidation. Look at the bull volume compared to the decreasing bear volume. Bulls are still in control on the weekly. That 110 level is where I'm looking, especially if we break that 111.55. That will be very convincing that this is where we are headed. But not trusting the bulls to turn things around until we see a very clear break and a strong close on the daily time frame. So let's look at the 5-minute chart for some indication of some trades that could have been made today. So we had the gap down open, and then right out of the gate, the bulls rushed to the upside. Very strong move, ripping higher. Look where we reject the 100 and 200 period 5-minute resistance. We pull back. Next candlestick tries again, rejects, closes at the low of the candlestick. One more little attempt, didn't even touch those levels before pulling back. And if you needed any more confirmation of weakness, we hit a new low of the day, the next candlestick. Look at the trend from there. Very clear lower highs, lower lows, bounce attempt. Couldn't even test that 100 period 5-minute resistance, pull back. Lower highs, lower lows. Then another little bounce attempt with the end of the day. Then we started to form some higher lows and some higher highs before an end of the day dump with the market. So bulls did turn it around a little bit and see a little lower wick on the daily time frame, but not very significant compared to the clear bearish downside for the majority of the day. So we'll look for a new base to form. And again, if it's not at 111.55, we're looking at the daily middle Bollinger Band around 111. And then that weekly 110 area, which is my feelings that we will head towards that level, keeping a close eye on it. I appreciate you watching. We'll be sure to check back in as always. Have a wonderful night.